The snoring disaster. Huh? What was that? I'm trying to sleep here. Ugh. Come on now. It looks like someone is snoring. But who can it be right now?
Ah. Yeah. I just
felt
love this
relaxing
view out
earlier.
here.
Yes.
I sure
did.
do.
But
I'm still asleep. Yes. I am still asleep.
Oh my gosh. Amanda and Timmy. Stop snoring. You bother anybody's ears. And you made them so angry. And they said, Amanda and Timmy, would you please stop snoring? Wake up now. Making noise didn't work, I guess. Here comes Vanessa. Maybe she has an idea.
I've got it, we'll laugh them awake.
That's a super duper idea. I'll act like I'm a silly penguin, while you pretend to be a funny chicken.
They're still sleeping. Maybe Daniel and Nichole knew what to do. Here they come now.
When I'm sleepy in the morning, I stretch myself awake.
Maybe that will work with Amanda and Timmy too.
It's worth a try.
But how should we stretch them?
Uh-oh. Still no luck. I have an idea. We should do 3 things to wake up Amanda and Timmy. Flap our arms way up high. Make a pucker fish face. And yell. Wake up you two. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up you two. It worked. Thanks to you guys. My sister Amanda and her boyfriend Timmy are awake for some breakfast. Let's eat breakfast now.